Hair strengthening treatment. This concentrated treatment smooths rough or damaged hair cuticles to restore dry, damaged, over-processed or color-treated hair, deeply penetrating to improve shine and manageability. Boost shine. Created for all curl patterns and textures, this moisture treatment smooths cuticles, improves manageability and increases shine after each use. Contains no parabens, phthalate, mineral oil, gluten or dyes. Discover Moisture Boost. Our Moisture Boost system restores hair experiencing dryness or damage with natural reparatives that lock in moisture from root to tip, visibly improving your hair's condition after each use. Choose what's real. Our beauty products and hair and skin treatments feature real, plant-based ingredients in formulas that really work to hydrate and soften, from lip balm to bar soap to body butter. Palmer's. Our cocoa butter, coconut oil, shea butter, olive oil, and vitamin E product lines include creams, balms, lotions, oils and soaps plus face, lip, and hair care, pregnancy and stretch mark care. Palmer's Moisture Boost Protein Pack, 2.1 ounces. Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula Moisture Boost System restores hair experiencing dryness or damage with natural reparatives that instantly and deeply lock in moisture from root to tip, visibly improving your hair's condition after each use. This highly concentrated moisture treatment deeply penetrates to restore dry, damaged, over-processed or color-treated hair. Visibly smooths rough hair cuticles, improves manageability and increases shine after each use. Concentrated strengthening treatment. Deeply penetrates. Improves shine manageability. No parabens, phthalate, mineral oil, gluten or dyes. Committed to responsible sourcing. Top reviews from the United States. Loved it. I only use a half a package. Made my hair softer and looks thicker. Like when I use to color my hair.